What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on the most exclusive, most premium car content anywhere on YouTube. Today, we're going into something that is beyond special, beyond rare, and without a doubt, one of the most legendary machines ever created. This is the 1965 Factory 5 MK4, a car that blends heritage, performance, craftsmanship, and timeless style into a package that feels like pure automotive art. When you first look at the Factory 5 MK4, you realize this isn't just a car. It's an expression of history reimagined for a modern era. Inspired by one of the greatest racing icons of the 1960s, the Cobra, this machine is all about the thrill of driving, the purity of design, and the kind of hand-built excellence that money can't usually buy. This isn't something you stumble upon every day. This is the type of car that belongs in the hands of true enthusiasts, people who appreciate every curve, every line, and every note of the exhaust. Let's start with the design. The 1965 Factory 5 MK4 is sculpted to perfection. That long, flowing hood with its muscular curves, the aggressive fenders that seem ready to pounce, and the open cockpit that invites you in, it's all a nod to the golden age of sports cars. But it's not just a replica. This is a high-performance, factory-engineered reimagining of the Cobra spirit. Every angle has been refined, every detail considered. From the polished side exhaust pipes gleaming in the light to the way the roll bar sits with confidence behind the driver's seat, it is all about balance between raw muscle and elegant design. Underneath that sleek body, the MK4 carries serious engineering muscle. You're not looking at some casual cruiser here. You're looking at a car that can be configured with brutal world-class power. Most Factory 5 MK4s are fitted with Ford small block or big block V8 engines, some producing upwards of 500 or even 600 horsepower. Imagine that, an ultra-lightweight chassis paired with a roaring V8 under the hood. That power-to-weight ratio is explosive. You're talking about performance numbers that rival modern supercars, but in a package that feels raw, unfiltered, and connected directly to the driver. And when you fire it up, oh man, there is nothing like it. That sound, it's the deep, thunderous growl of American V8 power echoing through those side pipes. It's the kind of soundtrack that shakes your chest and puts goosebumps on your arms. It's not just noise, it's music for car lovers, a symphony of power that reminds you why cars like this matter so much. Driving the 1965 Factory 5 MK4 is an experience that can't be replicated by modern machines. Modern cars isolate you with technology, with electronics, with drive modes and computers making decisions for you. The MK4 strips all of that away. You, the car, the engine, the road, that's it. No filters, no distractions. The steering is direct, the pedals are heavy, and the power comes on strong. You feel every bit of the road's surface, every shift of the gears, every heartbeat of that massive V8. This is driving in its purest form. But don't get it twisted, the MK4 is not just about brute force. Factory 5 engineered this car with a modern tubular chassis, coil-over suspension, and performance brakes that make sure all that horsepower doesn't go to waste. The handling is sharp, precise, and confidence-inspiring. This car was built to dominate on the track, and yet it's just as capable of turning heads on the street. It's a blend of old-school soul and new-school performance technology, the best of both worlds in one unforgettable package. Step inside and the nostalgia continues. The interior of the MK4 is simple, but it's beautiful. Classic bucket seats wrapped in leather, a wood-rimmed steering wheel that feels just right in your hands, and a dashboard with analog gauges that instantly transport you back to the 1960s. There's no massive touchscreen, no endless buttons to confuse you. Just the essentials. It's designed for driving, for feeling, for living the moment. You strap yourself in, and you're not just sitting in a car, you're strapping into a time machine, one that takes you to a golden era of racing and performance. Now let's talk about the exclusivity. The Factory 5 MK4 isn't something you just walk into a dealership and buy. This is a kit car built by hand, either by passionate individuals or specialized shops. That means every single MK4 is unique. No two are exactly the same. The colors, the finishes, all of it is customized. What you're looking at when you see a 1965 Factory 5 MK4 is a labor of love, thousands of hours of dedication, and the ultimate reward, a car that is truly yours. That rarity, That individuality is what makes it so valuable. And when it comes to price, let me tell you, this car sits in a league of its own. While you might be able to start a kit project for a more accessible price, a fully built, high-spec Factory 5 MK4 with a massive V8, top-tier finishes, and show-quality detail can push deep into six figures. That's right, 100,000 or more for the best of the best. But here's the thing, every single penny is worth it, because what you're buying isn't just a car. You're buying history. You're buying performance. You're buying a lifestyle. Think about it when you pull up in a 1965 Factory 5 MK4. People stop, they stare, they admire. It's one of those cars that brings people together. That makes strangers come up and ask questions. That turns every single drive into an event. Whether you're at a car meet, a track day, or just cruising on the highway, this car is a magnet for attention and respect. It commands presence. And for those who are passionate about racing, the MK4 isn't just a showpiece. It's built to perform. With the right setup, it can dominate the track, putting much newer, much more expensive machines in their place. This is a car that honors its heritage while proving it can still hang with the fastest and fiercest cars of today. That blend of timeless design and relentless performance is what makes the 1965 Factory 5 MK4 such a masterpiece. At the end of the day, the 1965 Factory 5 MK4 is more than just a car. It's a celebration of everything that makes automotive culture great: speed, style, craftsmanship, and passion. It's about reliving the glory days of motorsport while enjoying the reliability and precision of modern engineering. It's about owning a piece of history, but also writing your own story every time you get behind the wheel. So if you're someone who loves cars, who dreams about driving something truly extraordinary, the MK4 is a reminder that legends never die. They live on, they evolve, and they continue to inspire generation after generation. That's all for today's video. But trust me, we're just getting started. If you enjoyed this look at the breathtaking 1965 Factory 5 MK4, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment letting me know what you think of this incredible machine, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of the world's most expensive, most exclusive, and most jaw-dropping cars. Until next time, keep driving your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.